What's up, guys? We're back. Today's gonna be different, and what we're doing is actually, you wanna just go swimming? This is kind of boring.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, might as well stop this then.
How cold is it? Are you filming?
This is definitely not what I was expecting.
Well, it looks like we're gonna have to wait a little bit for this. This is gonna take a really long time.
Oh my.
I think this is more like what we were expecting, Will.
Yes. Took us like an hour to do this.
This whole truck is like super low.
Oh, dude, that's so cold.
We got new merch coming out soon.
Can't tell you any sneak peeks except the one about that's a mug. Okay, that's the only one I'm telling you. There's a mug.
There's a coffee mug.
Jeez, did that hurt?
Yo, I got the camera.
Okay, guys, but what this video is really about
is the ice bath challenge.
Psych.
What's with the water?
Yo, dude,
ice made it cold.
it's actually starting to get colder, dude.
Yo, oh my goodness, this is so
way too cold.
Let's get out. Oh.
Ow, 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 ow.
Dude, I dare you to do a piece.
Okay, but if I do this, I have to dare you to do something.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna dare you to hold your breath for 30 seconds. But you gotta go all the way under.
Everything?
Everything.
Even my glasses? What about my hat?
You can take your hat.
Okay, I'll keep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look how much Ready? It's going out. That's it. Oh, that's so sick. No, it's so cool. It's putting up everywhere.
At least it made the road nice and cool now. At least it made the road nice and cool now.
Honestly, that was pretty cool.
That was dope.
Look at all this. It just flooded from there. All down there. It's pretty deep. All the way down there.
And it's still going.
And we just dropped off the tripod. It really sucks.
We need to get another one.
Now we just gotta clean all this stuff up here. All this garbage.
It's wet. Like, I mean, our seats are legit wet. Alright guys, don't forget about the new merch that's coming soon. If you like this video, like it. I know it probably wasn't very long, but we're sorry. Subscribe, like, subscribe if you like it. Comment down, give us some ideas on what we should do.
Yeah, honestly, we actually really don't know what to do, so.
We post weekly on Mondays, guys. So if you want to watch your videos,
turn on notifications. We'll see you next Monday.
Peace!